welcome to Discovering Natural. If this is your first time watching our channel, please click the subscribe button because we give you valuable information that can help you with your natural hair and also your kids' natural hair. So summer is on the swing, summer is here, it is hot. And I know and I'm very sure that you all have been experiencing some form of dryness in your hair. So today I'm going to give you some tips that help me to keep my hair moisturized so that it's not breaking and I'm not losing hair length when it is summertime. First tip for surviving summer is number one, protect your hair. There are different kind of ways you can protect your hair, but the most obvious way is to use something that covers your hair. Using an umbrella is essential. Using an umbrella is the best way, but there are different kind of umbrellas right there, and a lot of them don't actually protect your hair. The umbrella that I currently use is from Hawaiian Sunset. Now Hawaiian Sunset, I love their umbrella, and this is because the umbrella, which is available on Amazon, you know, you can easily get it on Amazon or even on their website, it provides UPF 50 plus protection, and this kind of protection, it actually blocks 98% of UV rays, and it protects you from harmful UVA and UVB radiation. This kind of radiation will actually cause aging quickly, so this actually protects your body from premature aging and also your skin, and protect your hair from aging, because we know hair does age. You feel the material of this umbrella is actually different than normal umbrellas that you find, and which is important. And I find that it's really good, especially when it's raining outside. This umbrella has been protecting me, protecting my hair from being, my hairstyle from being damaged, especially when it's raining outside. And I love that, you know, compared to other stuff, you actually feel cooler when you're using the umbrella because the rays is not bouncing onto your hair, it's not bouncing onto your body, and you feel outside on a sunny day, on a hot and sunny day, you feel so much cooler with this umbrella compared to any kind of umbrella that actually doesn't have any UV protection. Now, one thing I love is also the pattern on the inside of the umbrella. Most umbrellas, the pattern is on the outside, but this umbrella, the pattern is actually on the inside. So it's like, wow, it's a showstopper, and I absolutely love it. Okay, if you guys want more information about this umbrella, please look in the description down below, or you can even look at the pin information of this video. Second way you can protect your hair is to use a product that actually protects your hair. Before you go out, an oil such as argan oil can be used in your moisturizing technique. Now when you moisturize your hair, you want to add some kind of liquid to your hair to bring moisture into your hair, and you can seal in that moisture with a butter or a cream. Use a moisturizer, and then you can use an argan oil or grapeseed oil to help protect your hair. Grapeseed oil also is known as a heat protectant. One little thing that I do sometimes is actually get an heat protectant spray. If I know it's going to be so hot and we're going to a theme park, like we're going to Disney. When we went to Disney, I took like a spray bottle, you know, with my heat protectant, and I sprayed it onto my hair, and that kind of protects your hair. A lot of people don't know that they can actually use a heat protectant even when their hair is not going to be blow dried. The sun, when it hits the top of your hair, especially the crown of your hair, when you feel that it is breaking a lot, those are one of the signs. Dryness, your hair will feel drier right over there. So protect your hair like that. The third way, or the fourth way, I've lost count, is to drink water. Drink water. Drinking water is beneficial, especially in this weather. Please do drink water. You can even take some water, put it in a small bottle and put it in your bag, you know, and while you're drinking it, you can also take some water and just pat it into your hair and keep your hair hydrated that way. Now I want to ask you guys, what are some ways that you all are protecting your hair in this summer? If you want to do styles, look for styles that will help you to be able to easily, you know, moisturize your hair. Don't put your hair in a style that you cannot moisturize your hair, because your hair will even get drier if you're covering it so much with other stuff and other other styles that you can't get to your hair. We're talking about the hair, but we're also talking about the scalp. The scalp is also important, so you can take a bit of water, spray it onto your scalp, and you can moisturize your scalp that way if you're someone that you don't use oils on your scalp. Like I don't use oils so much on my scalp. So thank you so much for watching our videos. If you guys enjoyed, please feel free to share it. I hope you survived this wonderful summer season. Enjoy the summer, and thank you so much. Don't forget to go in the description area, check out Hawaiian Sunset umbrellas. You will not regret it. Trust me. You'll be amazed by the material. Trust me. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.